Welcome to our channel. If you're a beginner looking to conquer the saltwater fishing world in 2023, you've come to the right place. Today, we've rounded up the best saltwater fishing rods that will kickstart your angling journey with ease. From durability to performance, we've got you covered. Let's dive in and find your perfect fishing companion. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting fishing content. Number 1. The new 1.8 meter to 3.0 meter multifunction spinning rod is an excellent addition to any angler's gear collection. Crafted with carbon material, this ultra-short telescopic fishing rod guarantees durability and performance. The fast action ensures precise and quick casting, making it suitable for various fishing types like ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, and more. Its true length options ranging from 188 cm to 295 cm and closing length between 40 cm to 50 cm offer great portability for travel. The rod's power rating is M-Fast, allowing for versatility in catching different sized fish. Weighing between 118 gram to 250 gram, it remains lightweight for extended use. Proudly made in mainland China, this fishing tackle promises to enhance your fishing experience. Number 2. The Beautiful Baitcasting Spinning Mini Fishing Rod is a fantastic choice for anglers on the go. With its 4 or 5 section design and compact 50 cm shrinkage length, it's incredibly portable and easy to carry. The LTS magnetic ring guide rings ensure high wear resistance for lasting performance. The high elastic fiber cloth tip provides a light and sensitive hand feel while maintaining excellent strength. Crafted with environmentally friendly high-performance paint and laser marking, this rod boasts both style and durability. The gapless fitting method of the interface ensures perfect tonality presentation, enhancing your fishing experience. The round hook adds to its versatility, and the single-piece EVA handle offers a non-slip, comfortable, and wear-resistant grip. Whether you're casting light lures or targeting smaller fish, this ultralight lure pole delivers on all fronts. Number 3. The new 1.8 meter to 3.6 meter carbon fiber fishing rod is a game-changer for anglers seeking convenience and performance. Crafted from high-density carbon fiber with 5 layers of carbon cloth, it's exceptionally strong and durable. The compact size, ranging from 42 cm to 55 cm when shrunk, makes it a portable and pocket-friendly choice for fishing enthusiasts. Equipped with high-quality ceramic guide rings, it reduces friction, dissipates heat effectively, and protects your fishing line during sea fishing. The ergonomically designed high-density cork handle ensures comfort, a non-slip grip, and long-lasting use. Whether you're fishing for trout, perch, or bigger catches in rivers, docks, or offshore, this telescopic fishing rod is a versatile and high-quality option. It's perfect as a thoughtful fishing gift for your father, boyfriend, fiancé, or husband, allowing them to enjoy the pleasure of professional sea fishing wherever they go. Number 4. The telescopic rock fishing rod is a top-notch fishing tool suitable for various fishing styles. Available in lengths of 1.5 meter, 1.8 meter, 2.1 meter, and 2.4 meter, it caters to different fishing preferences. Crafted from high-quality carbon fiber, this rod boasts exceptional hardness, ensuring it can handle the toughest catches with ease. The aluminum alloy wheel seat adds to its lightweight and sturdy construction, enhancing overall performance. The guide ring, comprising ABS, stainless steel, and ceramics, reflects the high-end configuration found in premium fishing rods, guaranteeing smooth line movement and durability. This versatile fishing rod allows you to enjoy both sea fishing with fish-throwing rods and lure fishing. Whether you're a seasoned angler or a beginner, this telescopic rock fishing rod is an excellent addition to your fishing gear collection, promising a successful and enjoyable fishing experience. Number 5. The Josby Spinning Rod is an impressive piece of fishing equipment suitable for various fishing adventures. Available in lengths from 1.5 to 3.0 meters, it's perfect for lure fishing, sea fishing, and other recreational fishing activities. The rod's lightweight and durable carbon fiber construction ensure easy portability and long-lasting performance. The design is both fashionable and practical, with a compact shrink length of 66 to 69 centimeters, making it convenient to carry. The rod's appearance is sleek and attractive, available in pure white or green, and easy to clean. Its features are equally impressive. The main body is made of high-quality glass fiber reinforced plastic for added strength, while the ceramic guide rings with stainless steel frame ensure smooth casting and excellent thermal conductivity. The high-strength stainless steel reel base enhances durability and simplicity. The integrated non-slip handle design ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended fishing sessions. The lacquer surface, finished with piano-level baking lacquer technology, not only adds elegance but also protects against scratches. Overall, the Josby spinning rod is a fantastic choice for anglers seeking a reliable, versatile, and aesthetically pleasing fishing companion.